One of the most mysterious, surreal and awe-inspiring wonders of the frozen world, the breathtaking Blood Waterfalls of Antarctica. Ever wondered why they call it the Blood Waterfalls? An unimaginable transformation takes place as the temperature drops, turning these pristine waters into a cascading crimson spectacle. When the water flows and encounters oxygen, a chemical reaction occurs, oxidizing the iron-rich waters. It's this oxidation process that gives the waterfalls their astonishing red hue. The crimson torrents seemingly paint the glacier, creating an unforgettable masterpiece that will leave you mesmerized and yearning for more. This captivating sight and otherworldly realm serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between nature and mankind.